Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make cupcakes tasty. First, always start with high-quality ingredients. Using fresh butter, eggs, and good vanilla extract makes a huge difference in the final taste. Ensure your butter and eggs are at room temperature before mixing. This helps create a smooth, emulsified batter. Remember, gentle mixing is key to light and fluffy cupcakes. Achieving the perfect batter is crucial. Always measure your dry ingredients accurately. A kitchen scale can be very helpful here. When filling your cupcake liners, aim for about 2/3 full. This allows for proper rising without spilling over. Bake them at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius for approximately 18 to 22 minutes until a toothpick comes out clean. Once baked, let your cupcakes cool in the pan for a few minutes, then transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. Frosting warm cupcakes is a recipe for disaster. To boost flavor, try adding a teaspoon of lemon zest or a different extract to your batter. For an extra moist treat, brush a simple syrup over the cooled cupcakes before frosting. Now for the fun part, frosting. A stable buttercream is ideal for piping beautiful swirls. Make sure your frosting is at the right consistency, not too stiff, not too runny. Get creative with your decorations. Sprinkles, chocolate shavings, or fresh berries can elevate your cupcakes. Remember to check the description for a link to little trees, black ice, and other great deals. Enjoy your delicious, homemade treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.